People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Come to Laden TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Yes, hello and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, you don't know, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth. Well, they have vlog on the go. You see? Yeah, man. I don't know, a lion foot 100% I want to say give thanks to life. No matter where you are in the world, if you book up on a video, yeah, health we say over wealth, and long life and prosperity. See? Now, we have a musical review for you now. See? Yeah, so big up Father God once more because without him nothing is possible. And now we need him in this time and moment. See? So now, we have an update on Laden, my brother. You know what I mean? Yeah, you see it. Yeah, man, big up your mother, you know. Straight, Painland. See? Yeah. And also, we have Tanto Blacks and Chris Gayle. The two of them link up, and I know the two of them never fail, so you know it's a straight success. And also Queenie from the UK, Double Tap Queen, and the Angel teams up. So, I don't know, you know. More after the break.
People production.
DJ want it, your mixtape them want it, them hot. Is it? Let's say that.
Every girl, yeah, bump on it like a cheer, baby. Come sit down on it. Wind up, girl, twerk on it. When you see me the light, don't run from it. Now ready, man, every girl, yeah, bump on it like a cheer, baby. Come sit down on it. Wind up, girl, twerk on it. When you see the light, don't run from it.
Chop, mass.
What take them salad and hold them pile. Top baller, man a top baller. When me run the game, man a shot caller. Top baller, man a top baller. What take them salad and hold them pile. Top baller, man a top baller. When me run the game, man a shot caller.
Run the world, but me and the world boss. Airplane mode, me stay in a first class. Air hostess just can't make me pass. Up in a me ears, no question I ask. She a check out the rolling, check out the clocks. Do the maths and she don't know the cost. And me say like she catch rich craft. You don't know the shrimp, says a graph for your graph.
Tell me what you cock up your foot with the fuck now, girl. Turn back way for the fuck now, girl. Skip out your leg for the fuck now, girl. Man a gangster, have me not just now, girl. Cock up your foot for the fuck now, girl. Pop on your head for the fuck now, girl. Come on for that for the fuck now, girl. The chip up, have me not just now, girl.
Hey, girl, me want beat up Kabasha. Come here, so come wine and back it up. Set foot like cement one side, girl, your pussy so fat, but one double tap it up. Hey, girl, me want beat up Kabasha. Come here, so come wine and back it up. Set foot like cement one side, girl, your pussy so fat, but one double tap it up.
Freedom of speech. Everybody sing freedom of speech. Everybody sing freedom of speech. None of them can stop Mafia from speak. When we say freedom of speech, we say again freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. Well, the other one, we the use some of beer and them one job. The use some of bread and them one job. The use some of river and them one job. Tell them now for breathe, you go road go rob. The use some of Delhi Green Lane one job. The use some of Oxford Lane one job. The use some of Luke Club Lane one job. Tell them now for breathe, you go road go rob.
Full and a run over. If fire put them think it done, but it don't over. The cup full and a run over. Them so corrupt, but Jaja lover turn them over.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back, man. I don't know, I hope all is well, you know, big up on the jam self, you know. You see it? So now we're going to kick it off with Laden. I know Laden, you know, end up in some trouble with the law. And I did give an update on it. So right now I'm giving another update, feedback a while ago, you know. So, you see last time I said Laden plead not guilty, which I expected he to do because we not think him guilty, you know, you see me? We don't think he's guilty. You know, I can't trust the Babylon them. Not saying he's innocent, you see me? Yeah, so I don't know. You're innocent until you're proven guilty. You see me? Likewise the other way around. So yeah, man, I see a star and I say, oh, Laden to plead not guilty to gun charges DJ scheduled for court. You know what I mean? Yeah, so big up Laden and him representative, him lawyer. And we don't know what happened. You know, maybe him never knows the gun in the car. maybe you never know. So if there was a gun in the car, maybe the police them can plant it too. You never know, you see me? Yeah, man, so this is where Laden representative as him lawyer, you know? This a part. His list of charges include illegal possession of firearm, illegal possession of ammunition, breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act, and failing to stop on the request of the police. You know what I mean? So you know, so the police them state that when he was pulled over, him slowed down, then him sped off. Chase was ensued, and when the chase finally came to an end, they took him back to where the item was thrown from the sunroof, and a pistol firearm was recovered. So that was a police statement, you know what I mean? So now the lawyer, the representative of Laden, you know, said, yo, those firearm charges are all allegations, and my client is definitely not guilty, said an upbeat sounding Charles Benbow, the attorney representing Laden. Yeah, man, so Benbow sound upbeat and confident, sure, you know what I mean? And you know them might get paid for defend the case, so you must go all out and, you know what I mean? Take him client, daddy! Take him client statement, you know, and yeah, so all the best for Laden, you know what I mean? He further stated that the only charge that Laden would plead guilty to is breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. For which he faces a maximum of $1 million. 1 million Jamaican, I think, not US, you know? Yeah, so. And that him I say, yo, right now, so you know, so Laden, once he plead guilty to the breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act, he's expected to pay $1 million. Which Laden have that. You know Laden have that car. The man a bust long time in the game, man, you know? I don't know if one break in you turn millionaire in your music, you know. That's why them fight over it, so. You see me? I'm bad man and selfish over it, so. Some of them, not every artist, and producers, and selectors. You see me? And disc jockeys. Yeah. But anyway, yeah man, big up Laden, all the best. You know what I mean? And you don't know a line for representing original Painland youth. We and Laden grow together. Play marble. You know what I mean? Pop shot war and all of them things there. See? So big up Jim Laden. Yeah man, big up Village, big up Painland, Peace Corner, stop the crime. Yeah? Next we have D'Angel, Zine and Double Tap Queen. Promises sexy remix, you know, so me sitting clean, so me sitting fat. Hey, don't give a girl like that. Hey, yeah man, big up Queenie, you know. Yeah man, the Double Tap Queen, you know what I mean? Yeah, so you see, you know, the stars of Queenie right now, I'll team up with D'Angel for remix our song Double Tap. The song that went viral, you know, and well, the video for her went viral, and she turned it into music. So sometimes everybody's turned out to be a good, you know what I mean? Yeah, so another song that say, oh, now the Queen is seeking to gain even more exposure from the track and has enlisted the support of D'Angel. The duo is getting ready to drop an official Double Tap remix and music video. I know right now if I drop the song and the music, the video for dropping and so the things set right now. You see, yeah, the game change, you know? Yeah. So Queenie, I say I never expected Double Tap to get this big, not one bit. How the song came about, you know? I was just answering someone who provoked me on Instagram. Queenie Lady Gangster said. The person was sending me some very disturbing messages and me get upset and send private part to her trying to insult her. Then put it on the internet and it went viral. So instead of making it get me down, we just build the song as a defensive thing she had it. Seeing such Queen, I say, yo, she and some girl in some argument. And you know them girl, they love to mix up on them passa on the internet and the gram and whatever, WhatsApp, on the street too. You see, Mr. Queenie, so she send her private pass and give the girl for insult her. So, you know, Queen already, she nah no hair, she nah no shame. See? Yeah, we got Lady Gangster, so she said it went out and them sent it viral, you know? It went viral, someone leaked it and it went viral for the right reason. Turn it into music. I remember Double Tap, hey, and it run with her and she get her breakthrough up if you are. You see me? Yeah man. So D'Angel say, yo, the people them are gonna love the song, you know? Because she say, yo, Queen Lady Gangster and D'Angel met up after she made a recent trip to Jamaica. She said they struck up at an instant connection and decided they'd work on the Double Tap remix. So them link a Jamaican. You know, for do your thing for and I go Jamaica, you book up, make 2 links and bang, bang, bang. Because you know Jamaica the place. When the song bust from Jamaica, bust all over, you know. But right now you can bust anywhere, you know. But it's not Jamaica the song bust. The song bust went viral from the UK. But she go Jamaica and book up with the lady, D'Angel and the links that make from there. So you see me? Yeah, man. So D'Angel say, yo, for her part, D'Angel described the Double Tap remix as one of the most unplanned projects, even as she encourages music lovers to brace yourselves for a high-quality, sexy video. Can't wait to see that, you know. Big up D'Angel, because I know D'Angel is high and uplifted and motivated and confident in herself. 100% she do her thing, OnlyFans. And no matter what the backlash and the beat down and the back chat and the mouth and the criticism and the hating, and she still do her thing. That me like with her. She come like me, you know. Determined. Just focus on her thing and she do her music same way. Yeah, she's been doing some good music from the other day, you know. Yeah, D'Angel. So go and do your thing, mama. Blessed love and peace, you know. Yeah. So next, my viewers and subscribers, we see Tanto Blacks team up with Chris Gayle. You see me? And that's a good look, you know, from them two icon they link up, you know. Them now feel. You see me? Yeah. So big up Tanto Blacks and big up Chris Gayle. Yeah, man, I'm see if I can find it. Because they have vlog on the go, you know. Yeah, man, Tanto Blacks, Chris Gayle, from them team up, you know, them can't feel. And you know, at the start I say, oh, Tanto Blacks not joking around with music. He gets endorsement from Chris Gayle following a collaboration. What? A problem. See? So you know Tanto Blacks always are doing things in Dubai all over the place. Twitter, tweet. In burst on the scene 2009, Kings and Queen. We can't forget Magnum. See? And the youth. Even though, you know, people take him as a gimmicks thing, but the man can entertain him. Remind me of Ragarugi. You get what I say? Yeah, remind me of Ragarugi, man. Always are doing things, you know, watch people are saying laugh. Just are doing music. You see me? You want to say, yo, celebrated dancehall slang creator Tanto Blacks, who also goes by the moniker Real Rich, has come a far way since competing on the 2009 Magnum Kings and Queen. You see me? Of dancehall. He has earned the respect of several entertainment professionalism, which landed him a collaboration with such as Lifestyle Rich, with Titimus, and with the US-based rap singer Chris Kamara and Ren Devos. Yeah, man, Tanto Blacks also was saying, you know, I have managed to stay relevant by being true to what I love doing, that is music. That and keeping up to social, especially in the pandemic, staying active with the fans. Tanto Blacks told the Star he is currently busy on social media promoting another collaboration with Chris Gayle. As me say, the collaboration I can't fail. Yell! You know what I mean? We come out for party, an upbeat dancehall single produced by DJ Kurt Riley. Yeah, man. I'm just a Smiley, can call me Smiley. Iley! Yeah, man. Big up, you know, Chris Gayle. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. And big up the man himself, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Tanto Blacks. Twitter, tweet, Bluetooth, little tweet. And that why the man have wall up a name for him pitney them. And the man full of style. The man a flourish from nothing to something. And the man image never drop. Zane? Yeah, man, so big up Tanto Blacks once more. Big up Chris Gayle. As me say, the production you can't fail. Big up Kurt Riley. Yeah, man. Next, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen. I want to hear where that DJ you say. djKen. Me see the video circle around. And me say it makes sense, you know. Which is why I put it on the platform. So I want to listen. And then as usual, me give my opinion. You know, freedom of speech. Look out feet. Alright, Dan Mafia, big up the whole artist them on the Poor People production, 9 to 5 rhythm. Yeah, man. So here what the DJ say.
So walk around and tell people, so they tell me something not to play no man song. Yo, let me tell you something. No guy can't tell me not play no man song. No guy no press a DJ, but not no goes. See, you talk about me wait from DJ more than you. Your song them no good. You understand that you tell you. Your song them no make no sense. Play about this. Seems to stop calling up my name, but we tell man to don't play song. Now do this something. Say I'm big up to your colleagues and you chat foolishness too. And now got the thing. Don't mix up my name in a foolishness route. See, if you do a good song, me repeat. And funny song a rubbish, me say your song a rubbish. And I whole heap of rubbish song you sing to. See, now your colleagues are going to your song them a rubbish too. Me don't know what going on this. Me don't know what going on this. You need to build and find some bad song. See it? Don't play it. Remember me, them call circle. You never understand. Know yourself, you. See it? Don't play it. You understand? You may not hype, but me have it. You understand? Play back the rhythm of DJ.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queen. You hear the DJ I say. And a real thing, boy. Me don't know who my talk, I wish artists my talk, you know. But it makes some valid point, you know. I say, boy, really and truly, man. Yes, man. Zine and some man, whoever the artist is, I say, boy, nah, man, I tell him not to play man tune. And we know them things that go on for a long time. Enough artists, big artists, will come out and talk, say. Them a tell selector, say, don't play them song. And them all pay them to not play man song. You see me? Pan the same rhythm or whatever. Yes, so the DJ, I say, boy, no man can program him and tell him not to play no man song. Pan the song, good man play it. If the song of foolishness is not going to play it on his show. And you can't blame him for that because, you know, every DJ say the same thing, every selector, you know. Some DJs and selectors, them play for the money, so them don't care if the song good or not. Them just want to get the money, play 2 times, and stop again and wait for get the next money before them play it again. See, you have some DJ, play the song because the song good and it fit them show and them want to give the artist some support or strength. See? You have some selectors and disc jocks and you know, disc jockeys who also do business, which is nothing wrong with that because right now the music is business and one and wash the other. Seeing some DJs say, yo, send the song, come give me. Let me listen it first and see if it fit my show. Then we can talk business, which I think is the right way. As me say, some selector, some disc jockey, they may just take the money and play the song 2 times. Or if the song is good or not, then I tell you, them just care about the money. But some selectors and DJs, them care about them fan base and them credibility, you know what I mean, and them stature. You know what I mean? So the DJ say, boy, a man can't tell him who for song to play and who for not. Any man come to him with that, he might run them ways, see me? So the artist will call him name and say, I'm not play them song. Certain people song alone them a play. Man I burn a fire upon them wicked. And when me have to say now, a full time we come together and stop that, man. Cut out them foolishness there. If a man play a song 1 time, you see, I know nothing for your pre. You know, my selector and play my song. I mean, never log on the show for listen. More than people tell me, say, yo, we a song I play, man. Such and such a play a song, you know. You see me? Or, you know, but DJs all see me and say, yo, John no DJ, you know, say, I forgot to play the tune in our pre in our and I say, no, man. Pre-what, man? Nothing on my energy, man, my thought or art. Pre-what? You see me? Anytime I get to play the tune, man, I drop it, man, I'm grateful, man. All when I'm not dead for listener, log on for listener here. I give thanks same way, man. I love, man. We know the thing set. You can't play every song. Sometimes you don't remember to play a song. Sometimes a disc jockey or a DJ get all the jingles to drop, put in a mix and him forgot. You see me? Sometimes you do an interview and you big up some people and you forgot some name. You can't remember everything. But some people pre. Simple things and pre and build up envy and hatred and malice and negativity, you see me? And segregation. So I just pre the right way and just know say I love, you know, I love I daily, you know. Whether I'm a song player or not, a man play my song or not, or a man share my song or not, or a man whatever we do career, you see me? I love daily, man. Clean up, man. When the heart and not a garment, so yeah, man, that me just want to share because I see the DJ, I see it go around in a group and I just take it out and put it on it. I hope the DJ, the selector don't feel offended. djKen, big up yourself. I love the message. And I don't forget to know you meet the eye still, you know what I mean? You can hear to I America and see if it fit for your show. You see it? Yes, I had the 9 to 5 rhythm with various artists. You don't know, Dan Mafia, Dan Youth, Real Scale, Tall Up, UK Presidential, you know what I mean? Dan Crazy, Low Voltage, and I America. You see it? So, My viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself again. We say live in love, live in peace and harmony. Share the food. See? Yeah, man. And the artists, them don't play the selector and the disc check them if them not play on the song one time. Them play it a few times and they play it one time. Don't pray, man. Just know, so you just try to do good music. Because and every selector and DJ go play a song when they fit for them show. If them a man entitled to their own opinion. Is it? Yeah, man. I whole heap of love, you know. I feel like I talk too much now. The video is too long. I'm out.
Rastafari Birdlegs in ADE Prints and Design giving a vibration for the advertisement of ADE Photo Studio. Yes, we are here in 45 Raleigh Market. ADE Print. T-shirts, photographs, hats, almanacs, CD, DVD, all different type of paraphernalia we print in ADE and assist the community. Almanacs, anything that you think of, we're here to assist in printing and design. Rastafari.